Hello friends, welcome back to Buffoon Sachin. In this video I am going to show you how you can create hotspot in your PC. Friends, if you are a user of Windows 10 or any Mac, then you are lucky because you have already option of hotspot. Means you can share the internet from your PC also like your mobile. But if you have the Windows 7 or the earlier, then you don't have the option of hotspot. You have to create it by own. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create it hotspot without using any software. We are going to create hotspot very easily. We can create it. So if you want to learn this, then just watch this video till end. So let's get started. So friends, to create hotspot, open your CMD. Okay, now here you can see this. Understand this first. You have to type this code into CMD. Before that, understand it. Here you have to type this all, and on the SSID you have to type here. You have to type your internet name, means whatever hotspot name you want to give, you can type. Now on the key, here you have to type the password which you want to give. Okay, means whenever you want to connect to your hotspot, you have to type the password and the name will be display whatever you will type here. Now copy this code. Now to paste in CMD, you have to just right click. As you will right click, your code will be pasted in the CMD. Now here you can see all the code is there. Here you have to type your name and here you have to add password. Now as you will click enter, you will receive a message. The message is saying you that your network is successfully made. Now it is hosted. If you want to start your network, now it's created and hosted. If you want to share it, then you have to select this code and copy it. All this code you will provide it in the description. Now you have to right click, and as you will press enter, now your network is hosted, means you can connect it with the another PC or any mobile. Okay, now if you want to stop it, now you have to type this code. As you will press enter, you will receive a message that will say that your network is stopped. Now your network is not hosting. So friends, like this you can create hotspot in your PC very easily. If you want to change the password or the name, the next time you have to type this same code again and you can change the password. So friends, if you like this trick, don't forget to like this video, share this video as much as you can share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos notification. Also check the playlist for the more videos like this. I think so that will useful for you, so don't forget to check it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.